You have a limited number of dams to give in your lifetime. Let me ask you a question, and be honest. Are you investing them in things that will build the life you dream about? Or are you giving them away like free candy to a random comment on the internet? To the person who didn't text you back? To the opinions of people you wouldn't even ask for directions? I once spent an entire Tuesday afternoon completely spiraling because a colleague made a passive-aggressive comment in a meeting. I replayed it, analyzed it, and let it ruin my focus. By the end of the day, I was exhausted and hadn't accomplished a single meaningful thing. Here's a truth bomb that I had to learn the hard way. You are not tired because you're doing too much. You are tired because you're caring too much about things that simply do not matter. We've been programmed by society to carry the weight of everyone else's expectations, and it's a crushing burden. But what if I told you that the secret to unlocking limitless energy, laser-like focus, and unshakable confidence isn't about adding more to your plate? It's about strategically, intentionally taking things off. Stay with me for the next few minutes, because I'm not just going to talk about this concept. I'm going to give you a powerful, practical playbook. This is the art of strategic indifference, and by the end of this video, you will have the tools to stop letting the world drain your battery. This is how you get your power back. I want you to imagine that every morning you wake up with a backpack, and inside this backpack, you have exactly 1,000 damn coins. This is your energy budget for the day. Now think about today. You check your phone and a political argument is raging in your feed. You jump in. That just cost you 50 damn coins. You get to work and you hear a piece of office gossip. You lean in, you listen, you participate. Another 30 coins, gone. That person you're trying to impress on Instagram posts a perfect vacation photo. You feel a pang of jealousy and start comparing your life to their highlight reel. 100 coins, vanished into thin air. Before it's even lunchtime, you've spent half your budget on things that have absolutely zero return on investment. They don't make you happier, healthier, or closer to your goals. You've been conditioned to believe that caring about everything makes you informed and empathetic. It doesn't. It makes you spiritually and mentally broke. But let's be crystal clear, because this is the part people get wrong. Not giving a damn does not mean becoming a cold, heartless robot. It does not mean being apathetic or a jerk. This isn't a license to ignore your responsibilities or be unkind to people. It's the complete opposite. It's about evolving from a floodlight into a laser. A floodlight sprays weak light everywhere, illuminating nothing with clarity. A laser focuses all its power on a single point with intense precision. It's about consciously, ruthlessly deciding what is worthy of your precious energy. When you stop giving a damn about the noise, you can finally turn up the volume on what truly matters: your goals, your health, your growth, the people who genuinely deserve a place in your backpack. The rest? It's just static. It's time to change the channel. So how do we do it? You didn't come here for a lecture. You came for a strategy. Here is your 4-step playbook to becoming the fierce guardian of your damn coins. Number 1. Define your damn worthy list. This is your foundation. I want you to literally pause this video and write down the top 3 to 5 things that are fundamentally important to your life. Be specific. Not just family, but being present with my kids. Not just career, but mastering the skills for my next promotion. This is your fortress of focus. From now on, before you spend a single damn coin, you will run it past this list. Does this online argument align with being present for my kids? No? Then it doesn't get a damn. This is your new non-negotiable operating system. Number 2, learn the power of the graceful no. Every time you say yes to something that doesn't serve you, you're saying no to something that does. Your new rule is simple. If it's not a hell yes, it's a graceful but firm no. We over-explain ourselves because we're scared of disappointing people. Stop. You don't owe anyone a dissertation. Your mini challenge. For the next week, I want you to say no to one small thing you would have normally said yes to out of obligation. Notice how the world doesn't end. Notice the little surge of power you get back. Number 3, abandon the court of public opinion. This is the biggest thief of damn coins. Stop searching for your worth in the reflection of other people's eyes. You don't need their validation. You don't need their permission. You need to become your own source of approval. Here's a practical tip. Go on a validation diet. For 48 hours, don't check the likes on your posts. Don't ask anyone, how did I do? Just do the thing and let the result be enough. Your sense of self-worth should be a monologue, not a dialogue. Accept this one truth. People will judge you no matter what you do, so you might as well do what lights your soul on fire. Number 4. Detach from the outcome and marry the process. This one is for my fellow overthinkers and perfectionists. You cannot control the result. You can't control if the client says yes, if you get the job, or if your art goes viral. Obsessing over it is like trying to steer a ship from the shore. It's pointless and exhausting. Instead, fall in love with the process. Focus on what you can control, the effort you put in, the skills you build, the integrity with which you work. Do the absolute best you can in the moment, and then release it into the universe. The outcome is a byproduct, not the prize. The prize is who you become along the way. When you stop giving a damn about the things that weigh you down, when you start being selective with your damn coins, your life gets lighter. The mental backpack you've been carrying, filled with the rocks of other people's opinions and anxieties, finally comes off. You create space. Space for joy, for spontaneity, for creativity, for deep, meaningful connections. You become unstoppable, not because nothing bad will ever happen, but because you'll no longer be paralyzed by it. Failure becomes data. Criticism becomes noise. Confidence is magnetic. Clarity is rare. When you operate from this place of centered focus, you become a magnet for the right people and the right opportunities, and you become a repellent for the drama and negativity that used to drain you. So, here is your choice. You can continue letting your precious energy leak out, 1,000 tiny cuts a day. Or you can decide right now to become the fierce guardian of your own focus. Prioritize ruthlessly. The next time you feel that wave of stress about something petty, I want you to stop. Picture that backpack and ask yourself, is this truly worth one of my damn coins? If the answer is no, you know what to do. Take a deep breath and let it go. Go build your damn worthy life.